Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
PumpSpy Technology PS1000 free monitoring included, no monthly charges or subscriptions required. Works with any 120-volt primary sump pump. Simply plug your sump pump into the 120-volt outlet. Get instant alerts via text message, email, and the PumpSpy app. PumpSpy computers watch your main sump pump, backup pump, and battery automatically 24/7 and run system tests 3x every week. Zoeller 5080006 Aquanot 508 Pro Pack 53 includes Model 53 115-volt pump, Model 508 Aquanot 115-volt DC backup system with pump, check valve, float switch and piping. Plumbed in 1.5 such 40 PVC pipe. Comes fully assembled and ready to install in your clear water sump. Extra protection when the primary AC pump fails due to power outages. Fully solid-state automatic 10A charger/controller. Wayne ESP25, upgraded ESP25 with epoxy steel body and cast iron base. No more plastic. 2700 GPH at 0, provides additional protection to your primary Wayne sump pump. Assembled in USA, performance that lasts for years. Audible alarm sounds, notifying you when the backup system is active. Easy to read LED display shows backup system readiness. Requires a 75 amp-hour battery, recommended for use. Wayne WSS 30V, new and upgraded Wayne WSS 30V. Completely pre-assembled and drop-in ready. Primary pump float switch tested to 1 million cycles, up to 10x more than competitors. Assembled in the US with foreign and domestic parts. Protection when you need it, backup pump continues running when the power is out. For use in 16-inch. Basement Watchdog BWSP 1730, pumps 2,500 GPH at 0 feet of lift and 1,730 GPH at 10 feet of lift. User-friendly control panel lights up with a warning and describes what to do for easy maintenance. A sensor monitors battery fluid levels for increased peace of mind. Includes controller, charger, dual float switch, pump and battery box, batteries sold separately. Compact pump can be installed even in small